An action-packed end of year awaits the Philippine fencing team as they prepare for the 2024 Southeast Asian Fencing Championships slated this December in Malaysia. Dario Clares has the story.
The Philippine fencing team gears up for one last time this year for the 2024 Southeast Asian Fencing Championships, which will be held this December in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The national fencers train every day at the Ultra Fencing Hall led by their head coach Rolando Amat Canlas. In an exclusive interview with PTV Sports Network, Canlas said the upcoming fencing meet will be a preview of their possible matchups in the 2025 Southeast Asian Games.
Napaka-importante kasi yung kalaban namin dito is yung kalaban din sa SEA Games, so magkakasukatan na rito. Di ba, makikita namin kung ano yung dapat na yung adjustment, kung ano yung dapat i-improve, ano yung mga weakness, anong weapon.
Canlas also added that their teammate Samantha Catantan's recent Paris Olympics campaign boosts the squad's confidence and morale as they go into the next competition.
Na-inspire talaga yung fencing community. Sumikat, kita mo, sumikat talaga siya, tas dumami. Lahat dream na magawa yung nagawa ni Sam na makapasok sa Olympics. So, which is good. The goal is makapag-send kami sa LA ng maraming fencers. Isa, hindi lang isa, dalawa or tatlo. Okay na yun.
Dario Clares from the National TV Network for the New and Better Philippines.